Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Nurse Thinks She Could Smack Someone Without Consequences.
2025, a crowded scene escalated after one woman was accidentally bumped by another. What began as a simple mishap quickly turned into a heated verbal argument. Moments later, the situation exploded when the victim was struck across the face with both—
Oh, hold on. Oh, I'm just noticing, like, as they going past, I see that this is the actual cop here. Hold on.
February 1st, 2025, a crowded scene escalated after one woman was accidentally bumped by another. What began as a simple mishap quickly turned into a heated verbal argument. Moments later, the situation exploded when the victim was struck across the face with both hands, an assault witnessed directly by an officer on the scene.
That was crazy. It's always the nurses.
What's that? Get her name, she's going to press charge.
I'm not gonna argue.
I know, you can't be smacking people in the face.
No,
She bumped you by accident. Come on now.
Can I just ask one question?
Yeah, what's up?
Am I gonna be out?
Most. Careful.
No, hold on. Now you pushing me. No, I'm not saying that. Hold on, I'm saying you got me. Like you got me. You can't let me. How you gonna let me slip in front of everybody?
I saved you from falling.
Okay, I promise you I'm not arguing.
All right. Yeah.
Can I have one question though?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you, I promise, no, y'all can't even do that. It's okay.
Nah, you can't have people slapping people in the face.
No, but she pushed me.
Okay.
It was before that. Y'all didn't see that.
No.
Okay, but she pushed me. That's the only reason I smacked her. You can ask my friends. Elgin, did she not push me before I smacked her? Okay then, she pushed me. That's the only reason I would not smack her. She pushed me. I just got off of work. I got my uniform on.
All right.
Please. Please.
Give me 1 second, okay?
I promise you, she pushed me before I even smacked her.
I understand. You can't smack people in the face.
I know, but she pushed me. What you want to do?
Can you do a search for her?
Yeah, she can do it. No, y'all back up.
Okay.
But can you she pushed me. I promise you 3 people sitting right there that watched it. You come out here and search me. You don't have, I promise I'm not going nowhere.
I know,
I'm not. Yeah, I know. You good, Mama, go ahead. No, nothing else gonna fuck you. Okay. It might be gloves in this pocket on the side. I just can't go hurt.
Dang. People go out drinking and they scrubs.
Gloves or phone. Either one. Oh, babe.
My eyelashes were crazy.
She just smacked me. All I did was react. what she did, but
I didn't see her doing.
But she did though.
I saw you smack her in the face.
She pushed me before I even smacked her.
Okay, so it's a mutual combat brawl.
Yeah,
so you're going for disorderly conduct, okay?
No, but please, like I really have a future ahead of me, like that. I really work
you
hard on.
You shouldn't be smacking people in the face.
But she pushed me.
Okay, let's go. We're going to the back of that car.
I can understand that.
We're going right over here, okay? Yeah.
Okay, can I talk?
Go back a little further. I think I got a can.
Yeah, I like that. Can I talk to you though? What? Okay, so before I even got booked, you can ask some people over there. The girl smacked me in my face. So I'm supposed to just sit there?
I mean,
all he saw was me smack her back.
Yeah,
that's all he
that's
saw.
what he saw.
But it's plenty of people over there that will tell you.
You still can't fight.
But smacking me in my face?
No,
I'll take a seat. I promise. But can you listen to what I'm saying?
Come on, she dragging it. She was technically hit first, but she did not get smacked in the face. The lady was walking and it's her fault. She wasn't paying attention and she did bump her. But just because somebody bumps you doesn't mean you react like that. That's just crazy. You know, if someone bumps you, you don't react like that. Let's watch it one more time.
On February 1st, 2025, a crowded scene escalated after one woman was accidentally bumped by another.
With her friends.
What began as a simple mishap.
Look, and she's looking to the side. Here. Hold on, I'm gonna mute that AI voice. But she's looking to the side and she just reacts crazy. Like they're walking through. Look, her and her friends walking through. She bumps her by mistake. And then she taps her. Then they talk a little bit, but you don't automatically, people don't automatically just react like that. Like, how do you go from 0 to 100 like that? Off of a little bump? You not. And the dude should be the dude with the hat here that she's actually talking to. He's the one that actually seen it. So he knows that she bumped her by accident. So he should have actually been able to be the one to calm it down. Because he's facing the crowd. The guy with the beanie here. So she bumped by accident. Okay. Come on. Now come on. This tall guy here, come on. He's supposed to. Come on now. That's just crazy. Not gonna lie to you.
Okay, so before I even got booked, you can ask some people over there. The girl smacked me in my face. So I'm supposed to just sit there?
I mean,
all he saw was me smack her back.
Yeah,
that's
all what he saw.
But it's plenty of people over there that will tell you.
You still can't fight.
But smacking me in my face? I'll take a seat. I promise. But can you listen to what I'm saying?
I heard you. That doesn't mean it's going to change anything.
I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, like,
I heard
if somebody smacks me, if somebody smacks me in your face, you're just going to sit there?
That's not what we saw, though.
She was arrested on charges of disorderly conduct. Her claim was that she had been struck first. But I think we all saw what really happened. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I mean, you know. Man, some of these AI voices be killing me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They just sound so not real to me. But anyway, that's besides the point, man. But actually, good footage by Watch Cop Cam, man. But y'all gotta get a new AI voice because that joint just be. Or whoever owns the channel, man. Come on, man. Y'all could say, man, get on there and start talking y'all talk, man. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah. I hope she don't be hitting them patients like that. You know, when the patients start going all cuckoo and stuff like that. Cause it look like she got a short fuse, boy. You know, nurses, and you know, that's one of those fields where, you know, they heavy drinkers. I'm gonna keep it real with you, man. I'm telling you. Heavy partiers, you know, the fields, law enforcement, heavy into that. You know, it don't matter. Law, you could be firefighter, correction officer, police officer. For the most part, a lot of them are heavy drinkers. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. You know, you got your nurses, your teachers, You know what I'm saying? They especially them nurses, you know, oh boy, and don't let it be a travel nurse, boy. That's a whole nother ball game. You know, them flight attendants, them, you know, those are certain career jobs, fields where, you know, everyone just, they go drinking. You know what I'm saying? It's, you know, it's one of them things. But anyway, you know, damn, going out drinking in your scrubs. Now that's wild. That's really wild. But yeah, so I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. You know what I mean? Actually being able to catch it and stuff like that, which was pretty good, man. So actually, you know, and then they were pretty cordial with her and everything and patient with her. So yeah, 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.